We'll begin with etiquette. When entering the dojo, we bow. Beginning and end of class. To a classmate or instructor. And for promotion to rank. Now we move on to the stances. Attention. Natural. Training horse. Meditating horse. Stationary horse. Right neutral bow. Forward bow. Back to a right neutral bow. Forward bow. Close kneel. Back to the neutral bow. Right 45-degree cap. One-legged stance. Back to a natural stance. A left neutral bow, a forward bow, a close kneel. A neutral bow, a cat stance. 45-degree cat. The one-legged, the natural stance. Those are your basic stances. Foot maneuvers. A right natural step forward, left natural step forward. A right natural step back, left natural step back. From my neutral bow, I deliver the step through maneuver. Right forward step through, left forward step through, left reverse step through, right reverse step through. Blocks from a training horse. Inward blocks, right and left. Vertical outward blocks, right and left. Upward blocks, right and left. Downward blocks, right and left. Push down blocks, right and left. And the extended outward block, right and left. Hand strikes from the neutral bow. The back knuckle strike. The reverse punch. And the ridge hand. From the other side. Back knuckle. Back knuckle. Reverse punch. And the ridge hand. And your kicks. Leg strikes. From a left neutral bow. Front kick. Roundhouse kick. Lead leg. Rear leg roundhouse kick. Side kick, lead leg, or possibly even using the rear leg side kick. The rear kick. And with the other side, that would be a left rear kick. From a right neutral bow, the opposite sides of the kicks. The left front, the right lead round, the left rear leg roundhouse kick, the left rear leg side kick.